Hello, good morning students. In my today video of class 8 mathematics, we will solve exercise 1A. Here the very first question is simplified. The first question is here simplified. In simplified, the first is 4 by 9 divided by minus 5 by 12. Now we have to solve it. 4 by 9. One thing, when we are solving this exercise, one thing we have to always keep in our mind, when the divide sign turns into multiply sign, then the rational number that comes after the divide sign, it becomes reciprocal. Whenever in the complete exercise, whenever we will turns the or convert the divide sign into multiply, the rational number that comes after the divide sign it becomes reciprocal. 12 by minus 5. Now, reducing the terms here, 3 3 are 9, 3 4 are 12. The result will be minus 16 by 5. Similarly, question number 6 here, minus 65 by 14 divided by 13 by 7. Again here minus 65 by 14. Now we are turning the divide into multiply. So the next rational number becomes reciprocal. 7 by 13. 13 5 is 65 and 7 2 is 14. The result will be minus 5 by 2. Okay. Now look at question number 2. In question number 2 it is given that verify whether the given statement is true or false. So look at the first question here. 13 by 5 divided by 26 by 10 is equal to 26 by 10 divided by 13 by 5. For solving this question, we have to solve the LHS and RHS separately. And if the value of LHS is equal to RHS, then the statement is true. And if the value of LHS is not equal to RHS, then the statement is false here. So, separately we have to solve the terms. First we have to solve LHS. 13 by 5 divided with 26 by 10. Therefore 13 by 5. Now we are converting the divide sign to multiply. So next term become reciprocal, 10 by 26. 13 2 are 26, 5 2 are 10. 2 to cancel 1. Now we have to solve the RHS here also. 26 by 10 divided by 13 by 5. Okay. Now 26 by 10, this divide side turns into multiply. Next term become reciprocal, 5 by 13. 13 2 are 26, 5 2 are 10, 2 to cancel. Is equal to 1. Here LHS is equal to RHS, therefore the statement is true. The statement is true. Now look one more example here, one more question here, question number 4 of second number. Minus 7 by 24 divided by 3 by minus 16 is equal to 3 by minus 16 divided by minus 7 by 24. Again we have to solve here the LHS and RHS separately. Minus 7 by 24 divided by 3 by minus 16. Minus 7 by 24 multiplying with minus, we converting the divide sign to multiply. So the next term become reciprocal, 26 by 3. 8 2 are 16, 8 3 are 24. Minus minus plus here, 7 2 are 14 and 3 3 are 9. Now RHS here, 3 by minus 16 divided by minus 7 by 24. Now 3 by minus 16 divide turns into multiply, 24 by minus 7. 8 2 are 16, 8 3 are 24. So we are solving the terms here, 3 3 are 9, minus minus plus 2 7 are 14. Here the LHS value is 14 by 9 and the RHS value is 9 by 14. LHS is not equal to RHS, therefore the statement is false. The statement is false. Now moving on next question, question number third. In question number third also it is given that verify whether the given statement is true or false. So look at the first question here. 5 by 9 divided by 1 by 3 divided by 5 by 2 is equal to 5 by 9 divided by 1 by 3 divided by 5 by 2. Now again we have to solve the LHS and RHS separately here. 5 by 9 divided with 1 by 3 divided with 5 by 2. 5 by 9. Now this divide sign we have to convert into multiply. So next term become reciprocal 3 by 1. This divide sign we have to also convert in multiplication order. So the next term become reciprocal 2 by 5. 3 3 are 9. Here 5, 3 1 are 3 into 2 by 5. 5 5 cancel here. The result will be 2 by 3. Now RHS here. 5 by 9 divided by 1 by 3 divided with 5 by 2. So 5 by 9 divided by 1 by 3, this divide sign we have to convert into multiply. So now the next term become reciprocal. 5 by 9 divided by 2 1 are 2 and 5 3 are 15. Again 5 by 9, the divide we have to convert into multiply. So the next term become reciprocal 15 by 2. 3 3 are 9, 3 5 are 15. 25 by 6. Here LHS is not equal to RHS. Therefore, the statement is false. The statement is false. Now question number 4 and 5 both are same question. So we have to solve the question 4 first here. The product of two rational number is minus 9. Product of two rational numbers. Rational numbers, that is minus 9. One of the numbers is 12. One of the number is 12. Find the other number. Then other number is equal to what? Other number is equal to what? Therefore, other number is equal to, for getting the value of other number, we have to divide the product of the two numbers with one of the number. Other number is equal to product of two numbers. Product of two rational numbers divided with one of the number. One of the number. The product of two rational number is minus 9, that is divided by one of the number is, here the number is given minus 12. So we have to divide it by minus 12. Now minus 9, when the divide sign turns into multiply, the next term becomes reciprocal, minus 1 by 12. Now reducing the terms here, 3 3 are 9, 3 4 are 12. Minus minus plus 3 1 are 3 and here 4. Therefore the other number is equal to 3 by 4. Now question number 6 and 7 both are same. So we have to solve your question number 7, but before we have to clean it. In question number 7 it is given that by what rational number should minus 8 by 39 be multiplied to obtain 1 by 26. So here we consider the number be x. Let the number be x. So according to question, if minus 8 by 39 is multiplied with x, then the result will be 1 by 26. If minus 8 by 39 is multiplied with x, then the result will be 1 by 26. Now for getting the value of x, we have to turn the minus 8 by 39 another side, minus 8 by 39 is here in multiply. So when we turn it another side, it turns into divide. Therefore, x equals to 1 by 26. Now when the divide sign turns into multiply, the next term becomes reciprocal, minus 39 by 8. Now reducing the terms here, 8 to the 13 to the 26 and 13 3 is 39. Therefore, x is equal to plus minus minus 3 to 3, 8 to the 16 minus. Therefore, required number is equal to minus 3 by 16. Now question number 8. By what number should minus 33 by 8 be divided to get minus 11 by 2? Again we are considering the number be x. Let the number be x. So in the given question it is given that if minus 33 by 8 is divided by x, then the result will be minus 11 by 2. Now x is there in divide, so when we turn the side, it turns into multiply. Minus 33 is equal to minus 11 by 2 into x. And as we are looking, minus 11 by 2 is here in multiply, so when we turn the side, it turns into divide. Divided by minus 11 by 2 is equal to x. Now taking the LCM of 8 and 2, the LCM will, minus 33 by 8, just I am doing a mistake a sort. We have to turn the divide sign into multiply. 2 by minus 11. The next term becomes reciprocal, is equal to x. 2 4 is 8, minus minus cancel, 11 3 is 33. So the result will be minus minus also cancel, 3 by 4. Therefore required number is equal to x is equal to 3 by 4. Okay. Now moving on, next question, question number 9. Now in question number 9, it is given that divide. What we have to divide? The sum of 13 by 5 and minus 12 by 7, that we have to divide by which number? By the product of minus 31 by 7 and 1 by minus 2. So solving it, the LCM of 7 and 5 is 35. 5 7 is 35, 13 7 is 91. Plus minus, minus here. 7 5 is 35, 12 5 is 60. Here minus minus cancel. 31 1 is 31 and 7 2 is 14. 91 minus 60, 31 by 35. Now this divides and we are converting into multiply. So the next term become reciprocal, 14 by 31. 31 31 cancel here. Now 14 7 2 is 14, 7 5 is 35. So the result will be 2 by 5. Now question number 10 here. Divide the sum of, again we have to divide here, the sum of 65 by 12. 65 by 12 and 8 by 3. We have to divide the sum of 65 by 12 and 8 by 3 with which number? By their difference. By their difference. So here the LCM of 12 and 3 is 12. 12 1 is 12, 65. 3 4 is 12, 8 4 is 32. Again the LCM is here 12, 65. 3 4 is 12, 8 4 is 32. 97 by 12. Here subtracting the values we will get 33 by 12. Now 97 by 12, this divide we have to convert into multiply. The next term become reciprocal, 12 by 33. 12 12 cancel. The result will be 97 by 33. Now in question number 11, some fill in the blanks are given. In question number 11, fill in the blanks. So we are looking the first question of 11. Here the fill in the blanks is equal to minus 3 by 2. 9 by 8 divided by a number. and the result will get here minus 3 by 2. So let me consider this number will x. Now 9 by 8 when divided by x, the result will be minus 3 by 2. Now x is here in divide, so when we turn the side, it turns into multiply. Minus 3 by 2 into x. Now minus 3 by 2 is here in multiply. So when we change the side of minus 3 by 2, it turns into divide. Is equal to x. Now when we are turning this divide sign into multiply, the next term become reciprocal. 2 by minus 3 is equal to x. 2 4 is 8, 3 3 is 9. Therefore x equals to minus 3 by 4. This value is equal to minus 3 by 4. Question number 1 and 4 are same, so you have to solve 4 by yourself. Question number 2 and 3 are same also. So we are looking at question number 3rd. Here fill in the blanks is given. Divided by minus 3, the result will be minus 4 by 15. Now again we are considering this number x. Therefore x divided with minus 3, the result will be minus 4 by 15. So x, here minus 3 in divide, so when we turn the side, it turns into multiply. Minus 3. Now 3 5s are 15. Therefore x is equal to minus minus plus 4 by 5. Here the value of x is equal to 4 by 5. Similarly, you have to solve the question number 2 of 11. Now in question number 12, the very first is, are rational numbers always closed under division? No, the rational numbers are not always closed under division. The second statement is, are rational numbers always commutative under division? No, in all cases or in some cases they are under commutative division, but in some cases the rational number are always not under commutative division. So here the answer will be no. Are rational numbers always associative under division? No, rational numbers are not always under associative division. Can we divide 1 by 0? No, we cannot divide 1 by 0, because if we divide 1 by 0, the result will be non-defined or undefined result. So like this way you can complete your exercise 1E. Now in my next video we will solve exercise 1F. Thank you for watching.